Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change time in Forza Horizon 6. It's pretty easy. First of all, let me clear you, there is no direct option available in game by which you can change time directly, but there is a workaround which you can use. So for that we need to talk to Anna. So in order to talk to Anna, in my case I need to use the down D-pad key. Then here we need to select the option World Builder. So again for that I need to press the down D-pad key. Then here select route. Right here select create new. And here just choose the car which you wanna use. I'm gonna choose the first one. Now here select OK. Now press the back button, or we have to basically exit world builder. Select yes, and now we just need to simply go a bit further. Like you have to choose the point where you cannot basically go accidentally. So okay, this is the point where I cannot go accidentally, so I can simply stop my car here. And here we need to press the option button, select place finish line, select yes. Now again we have to select the option create new. You can name it whatever you like, but I'm just gonna keep that on default. Select OK. Now here select the option create event with this route. Next you're gonna see a screen like this, and here we need to choose the option event settings, cause this option will allow us to change the time according to our choice. So before you do that, just put this max number of drivers on off, and you can also change things like season, weather, time of the day. I'll just simply put that on custom. You can change the weather if you like. Then if you scroll, you're gonna see the option time progression. So if you don't want time to change, you can put this on fixed. And to change the time, this is the option time of day, which you can set according to a choice like late afternoon, sunset, evening, night. In my case I wanna choose morning. So yeah, that's it. Now you can just go and select confirm at the bottom. Now select validate, select the car. Then here we need to select the option start validation. Now as you can see guys, time has changed, but this is the race. You don't need to finish this race, because if you finish the race, the event will end, and that way the time will get back to normal. So that's why you just don't need to finish this race. Just roam around and basically enjoy the game, and whenever you want to get back to normal settings, simply pause the game and you can see the option quit event. Select yes, and from here you'll able to basically exit from this event and able to get back to normal settings. So yeah, this was the workaround which you can use to change time in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.